Hello everyone, and as you can see on my table is a Hikoki Jigsaw, and it's sometimes working, sometimes not. Basically most of the time it's not working, and the problem is started to be like that. Then the customer just break it, fall it out, the tool fall out or something. So I will try to open it and check what can be wrong with it. So removing the pad. Now we can remove the spring, and I hope that I can open the tool. And now, okay, it's not working at all, fall out, so I'm looking, maybe I found something broken. Basically I think it will be the motor magnet problem. Okay. Let's try it. Now I can hear something is spinning around, and yeah, it's a ball bearing, and the motor is not working. So basically I think we need a new motor here. Yep. And okay, now we cannot see the inside, but I think one of the magnets will be broken. Okay, maybe we can try to get inside the motor. Okay, basically if I will hit this one, maybe this will go a little bit out. A lot of dirt here. Yep, we can see that the back of the motor is opening. Okay, what can we see here? The brushes looks normal. Okay, got the brush holder out. We have the armature here, and of course I need to take out the ball bearing. And all other parts to on the fan to get the armature out. Basically, I cannot see what's wrong with this one. Okay, I think I will try to remove them, the ball bearing, and yeah, I think the gear will be the hardest to remove. Okay, or maybe I need just to order the new motor and forget about this one. I don't know. The magnet inside is not moving. Okay, I will think about what I want to do with this one. Now it's time to change the motor. And the old motor. Okay, now we have the new motor installed. The old motor goes to the recycle bin. have washed the housing a little bit. Okay, quite not remember it was like that or not, because the disassemble was some time ago. Have waited apart from the manufacturer. Okay, now we have the saw mechanism, and I will put a bearing on the motor. And I'll just try to put everything in. Opening the new jar of the Makita grease. I'll lubricate the gear a little bit. We'll put some grease here. And I will put more grease when I will mount everything in the housing. Of course, if you want, you can close the pin again if you want. Okay, you can put the grease here. Bring back the pin. And that pin again. Okay, now we got the motor and all the jigsaw parts in. We have put this oil seal here. I don't believe that it helped a lot, but of course it helped to prevent some dust getting in. Okay, we have greased it, so closing the jar. Now we have the spring here. Very good to remember, it goes like that. The guide, it will go on the outside like that. The spring here will go for the housing. So basically now I can try to close the housing, pushing all the wires in the gaps. I can see the one wire going to the screw hole. Yeah, we can check for the gaps and so on. It looks good. this case, now we can put the battery in to test it. Of course, be very careful. Now that's good, you can see that it's working. Of course, now we are going with our guide here. We have the spring here and the bolt. We need to prepare a screwdriver for this bolt. And this one will fit good. Just getting the spring and in the gap here, and the other end must be in a housing gap. You can see now if you can see the spring end is not in place, so I can move it. Okay, maybe I will do it in other way. Okay. Now I can hold it. You can see the end is here. I'm just moving it to get on the corner of the housing. Now it can be pressed all the way in. I can put the screw. The screwdriver is too small. Tighten it. Now when it's tightened, we can check if we can release the blade. We can release it. See, that mechanism is working. And we need to mount the base here. It's all about the base. Okay, tighten it. Put it in a straight. Okay. Got in the straight. We have the saw. Put the battery. Check the indicator. It works. The saw is working. We can see the locating action here, and you can see the wheel is moving. You can press it with a finger without the blade inside. And now you can see the wheel is not moving, and on also locating, it's moving. So we have fully fixed this one, and just thank you for watching. Bye.